Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today I wanted to show you guys a new Note 10 Plus that is coming out. It is a Star Wars Special Edition. Not out yet. I'm not going to be picking one up, but I just wanted to show it to you on the Samsung website. It is coming to the US. It's available in the US for pre-order. And you do get a couple things with it. They also have right now the Galaxy Note 10 10th anniversary. It's not a special edition phone. All you get is a couple extras like Galaxy Buds, a Galaxy Watch Active 2, some bands, and I think a case. So really that one's just more of a bundle deal. The Star Wars Special Edition, though, you do get a few extras. One, you get a Star Wars leather case. It looks like to be a leather case at least. Let's see right here. If I can get the details. Yeah, an embossed leather case, red and black Galaxy Buds, and an exclusive badge that is a collector's item. So there's your Galaxy Buds right there, and there's your little badge. So that is really cool. It also comes with a red S Pen. I will pick a red S Pen up if I can find one separately, though, for sure. That's the back of the phone right there. It's got a little, it's kind of hard to see on camera, but it's got a little gray emblem right there, and then the Star Wars logo. Looks like it's got a custom wallpaper that's available to that phone as well. This will run you $1,300 US without a trade-in. With an eligible trade-in, you can get it for $1,000, $1,040. So not a bad deal considering it's a special edition phone and you're getting the special edition Galaxy Buds as well. So if you bought the Galaxy Buds in a regular Note 10 Plus, you're paying about the same. It is in the 256 gigabyte capacity. And like I said, if you trade in, you can save up to $260. So if you don't already have a Note 10 and you are planning on getting one and you're a Star Wars fan, definitely look at this one. It's a pretty cool looking phone, I have to say. If not, obviously you can always go with the regular color scheme. But that is the upcoming Star Wars Note 10 Plus from Samsung. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment and rate and subscribe, and have a great day.